Flash to a foggy morning in your matchbox flat. The monsoon mocks your meager counter as last night's biryani bowls build a blockade. Fruit flies feasting on forgotten figs, and your phone's the only thing buzzing, with work pings, not progress. Or envision emerald Andaman waves lapping your boat's bow. But inside, the galley groans under grilled fish grime, demanding a deckside drudgery that docks your daydreams. In 2025's hyper-hustle, where Hyderabad's high-rises hoard every inch and RV roamers race the horizon, handwashing's a relic, wasting water like yesterday's news, breeding bacteria in blind spots, and bloating bills with brute force inefficiency. But what if your dishwasher dialed in from afar, summoning 167 degrees Fahrenheit sterilization via a swipe, sans a single solder? Behold this Blitzhome portable dishwasher countertop, a Wi-Fi wired virtuoso with a 5L tank that's my secret sauce for seamless suds. After app-orchestrated ops in my Charminar crash pad and coastal camper circuits for 45 days, this isn't mere machinery. It's the mindful merge of mobility and modernity, turning tabletop turmoil into triumphant tranquility. Perched at a petite profile that'd blush a briefcase, under 20 inches cubed, featherweight at 25 pounds, this compact dishwasher claims counter corners like a confident cocktail shaker, yet harbors 4 to 6 place settings, 20-plus warriors from wide-rim thalis to teacup troops. The interior's an organizational oasis. Bowl basket for biryani bases, knife and fork nook to nix tangles, plus extendable rails that cradle cutlery like custom couture. In my RV rift through Rajasthan's ruby dunes, it engulfed an evening extravaganza, 20 masala-stained marvels, mango-muddied mugs, into mirror-finish magnificence. The fruit mode finesse-freeing figs from fuzz without a fingerprint of fuss. That 360 degrees dual-arm dynamo, a pressure-powered pas de deux, upper and lower spirals spinning 3D deluges that drill into dimples, dissolving Daldreg's hand sponges surrender to. No more mystery smears. Every edge emerges etched in excellence. The Wi-Fi sorcery steals scenes. Sync to the Blitzhome app, iOS/Android seamless, and voila, real-time reconnaissance on rinse rhythms, remote rev-ups for home in 30 harmony, or delay dockets that dodge peak power pitfalls. From a Hyderabad hackathon hotel, I triggered a quick cycle mid-presentation. 29 minutes later, plates purred pristine, pings proclaiming perfection pending pickup. Dual inlet ingenuity amplifies autonomy. Ditch the drip for the 5L built-in basin, jug-filled jubilee, no faucet fealty. Or tether the tube to taps for torrent tenacity. Setup's a 60-second sonnet, sans plumbing pros or landlord laments. Dorms? Boats? RVs? This portable powerhouse plays posse to them all, evaporating excuses for elbow grease. .6 symphony selections score your suds saga. Standard steadies supper skirmishes with balanced blasts. ECO economizes like a eco-auditor, 75% less H2O than manual monsoons. My meter marveled at the miserly math. Strong surges to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, a thermal takedown torching toxins on toddler tins or travel tumblers. Fruit frolics fondly with farm-fresh finery, preserving papaya punch without pulp pandemonium. Drying? Divine decree, hot air halo at fever pitch hygiene. Banishing beads for bone-dry bliss that stacks sand steam. Power profile? Prudent at 900W, pods or powders partnering for peak potency. Proviso: pod paragons for precision, powders for prolonged plays. In apartment analytics, it axed my aqueous outlay by 70%, energy echoes ebbing elegantly, green gains that groove with 2025's sustainability swell. Launching this countertop dishwasher? A low-drama debut. Unbox, Unite app, QR Quest quick. Quest an empty ECO to evict any voyage vapors. 5 minutes to first flourish. Nurture notes. Filter flush fortnightly. Detergent devotion to dish-dedicated drafts. Insider Inc. Leverage app alerts for auto shutoffs. My boat-bound beta bypassed battery bleeds. For RVers, the vibration-vanquishing vibe vaults over van vibrations. Urbanites, it unlocks under-sink stowage. One olive branch. Optimal for 2 to 4 feasters. Feast hordes? Encore editions. Support squad? Stellar? Blitzhome's brigade banishes bugs with bespoke backups. My midnight missive met with morning men's. Top benefits to blaze your daily blaze. Time travel triumph. App automation plus quick mode equals chore chains cleaved. Reclaim rushes for recipe reveries. Hygiene halo. 167 degrees Fahrenheit zaps 99.9% germs on gears/greens. Air dry assures aseptic stacks. Safer sups. Stress-free. Space sustain symphony. Mini Marvel maximizes micros. 75% water wins whisper. Wallet-wise wanderer. VersaVibe victory. From flatshare feasts to flotilla flings. Adapts, astounds without anchor. Odor oasis. Post-dry purity persists. Pans pantry proud, no musty memos. This Blitzhome mini dishwasher? No novelty, it's the network nomad's North Star. For the Hyderabad hustler harmonizing hacks with high-tech, the RV rover rinsing road relics remotely, the dorm dynamo ditching dish despair, or the boat bell balancing bliss with bacteria battles. Cast off the counter crud. Claim the connected cleanse. Why withstand wastewater when Wi-Fi waves beckon? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and snag your Blitzhome portable dishwasher countertop today. Sparkle synced, serenity summoned. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.